2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, compass, fog lights, security system, rear window defroster, bed liner, power windows, trip computer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, panic alarm, brake assist. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.